Welcome to Salal's mobile and online banking platform. If you're a new mobile and online banking user, this video will show you how to get started. Registering for Salal Mobile and Online Banking is simple. Go to our homepage at salalcu.org and find the online banking login box on the upper right. Click Enroll in Online/Mobile Banking. If you're enrolling in mobile and online banking on your phone or tablet, you will need to download the mobile app in your app store. On the next page, click Register as an Individual. Read the online banking disclosure and agreement. When you're ready, click the I agree box and then click Continue. Next, you will confirm your identity. You will need to enter your member number, social security number, date of birth, and the email and zip code Salal currently has on file for you. Next, you will verify your identity. Select the method you would like to receive a one-time passcode to verify your identity. This must go to an existing phone or email that Salal currently has on file for you. Once you get your code, enter it in the field and select Verify. Next, you will create a username. Enter a username into the text box and select Create Username. Next, you will create a new password. Your new password must be at least 8 characters in length and contain at least 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. Enter your new password and click Continue. Next, you will enter the email and phone number Salal currently has on file. Then, select your time zone and click Continue. Now you can choose to finish filling out your profile, view your accounts and balances, or start customizing your new mobile and online banking account. And that's it! You're good to go! We hope you enjoy the Salal Mobile and Online Banking experience.